Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to your Weebly website. Buttons are essential for guiding visitors through your site, whether you're directing them to sign up, make a purchase, or simply navigate to another page. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in using your Weebly account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu with various options. Find and click on Website. This section houses all the websites you've created with Weebly. Directly underneath that, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll select which website you want to work on today. A list of your websites will appear. Choose the one you want to add buttons to, then look to the right side of that website's listing and click the Edit button. This action will take you into the editor page for your selected website, where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This tab is your workspace for adding and arranging elements on your site. It's important to be in this section because it gives you access to all the design tools you'll need. Now focus your attention on the left side menu. Here you'll find various elements you can add to your website. Scroll through until you find the button element. This is what we're looking for to create clickable, interactive buttons on your site. Simply drag the button element from the left menu and drop it wherever you want it to appear on your website. Once it's placed, click on the button to open up the editing options. This is where you can fully customize how your button looks and functions. In the editing panel, you'll be able to modify several aspects of your button. You can change the button text to whatever call to action you need, whether that's sign up, learn more, or contact us. Next, explore the button style options to match your site's design, adjusting colors, fonts, and shapes. You can also control the button's position on the page to ensure it's placed exactly where you want visitors to see it. If you want your button to actually do something, this is where you add a link. Click on the link option and enter the URL you want the button to direct to, whether that's another page on your site or an external website. Finally, adjust the spacing around your button to make sure it has enough breathing room and doesn't feel cramped. And there you have it, a fully functional button on your Weebly website that's ready to engage your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.